Hi everyone and welcome back to another cleaning video. Today we're cleaning my master bedroom and bathroom. We're also going to be changing the sheets and cleaning all of my wood furniture. I am going to start by folding some laundry from yesterday. I also have a load being washed as I'm folding these. If you have kids, you know that laundry just never ends. So if you enjoyed these types of videos, please keep on watching. First, I'm going to get rid of these window shades that I was gifted a long time ago. I was never really too crazy about them, but they did the job, and it's time to get fresh new ones. I got a few new perfumes for my birthday last month that I'm gonna be sharing with you in a video, so be on the lookout for that. I try to dust as much as I can of the wall surface because this was filmed beginning of June and we had crazy pollen. I was dusting every other day, and because I have a brown furniture, every other day it will become yellow. It was so bad. Now it's getting better, but I'm just trying to dust the walls as well as the furniture. And now, as you can see me attempting to assemble these duvet and duvet cover, as much as I like these for easy cleaning, you can just take out the cover and wash it without having to deal with washing the duvet. I don't like, or it's very difficult for me to put it together. And as you will see in the next clip, I'm gonna be bringing in the big guns. With my husband's help, it took like less than 5 minutes, but if I'm by myself, I can never put it together. So just a little heads up there. Moving on to the bathroom, I'm just gonna take everything out, scrub my shower, my vanity, my toilet, and mop, and it should be squeaky clean. So this should mark the end of my cleaning video. I hope this motivated you in some way. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.